Okay, so you're wanting to duplicate animation for another side of the ear for the other part of the body. So to do that, what you want to do is select the animation itself. So here's mine, and you want to make note of the keyframe. I'll just put the cursor there and just line it up. And then you want to copy this animation. Then you want to go to the other bone, and then you want to insert a keyframe. So when you're on the viewport, you want to press I, and then you can just do available, but for me I want rotation. And now you've got a keyframe in there. Now if you go down here and just press Control V, it will paste the animation for you. Now if you want to turn that so it's the other way around, so if I undo that, you can do a right click and do paste flipped, so it does the complete opposite to what the other side is doing. And that is it. So I hope you found this useful. Subscribe, rate and comment, and see you again in the future. Bye!